Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make page numbers start on any page in a Microsoft Word document. This can be a little tricky if you've never done this before, as there are a few steps involved, but I'll try and keep it as simple as possible in this video. You might want to make page numbers start later on if you have things like a cover page, intro page, or contents page. The method should work on all versions of Microsoft Word and on all devices like a PC, Mac, or mobile device. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Load up your Word document, and let's say we have 5 pages here and we want to have the page numbers start from page 1 on the 3rd page of our document. We might have a cover page and then a contents page previously. Follow the method, but obviously exactly where you want the page numbers to begin will differ on each example. If we added page numbers now, it will start them from the 1st page of our document. This is because currently all pages are linked together. In order to make them start from a certain page, we need to separate the document into sections. To do this, first go to the end of the page that is the last one you don't want the numbers to be on. This would effectively be page number 0, or to put it another way, the page after this one would be our first page with the numbers on. Select the end of this page and then go to the Layout tab at the top and find where it says Breaks. It could be called Page Breaks, but click on it and then from the list of options that appears, choose Next Page under where it says Section. This will separate the document at this point. There is one more step before we can add page numbers, and this is to first go to the header of the page where we want there to be the number 1. Double click in the header area until the cursor appears. The header and footer tab should now show up at the top, and in here you need to click on where it says Link to Previous. It should be highlighted, but we want to get rid of this and unlink it. You should see it says Section 2 under the header as well, and after unlinking it, the same as previous note should disappear. With this set up, we are now ready to add our page numbers. In the header of page 1, go to the Insert tab or Header and Footer tab at the top, and then choose Page Number, and then the location of where you want it to be. This is up to you. After choosing a location, the page number should appear. It may not have the number 1 yet, so there is one final step if this is the case. Go to the Insert tab or Header and Footer tab, then Page Number again, and this time choose Format Page Numbers. Make sure the numbers are set to start at, and that the number 1 is chosen in the box. The page numbers should now be set up exactly as you want them, starting from the page you chose. And you can exit the header and footer and continue with your work. And so that is how to make page numbers start on any page in a Microsoft Word document. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Those methods should work on nearly all versions of Windows. Help support the channel by visiting the store, the link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.